Hello and welcome to Animal Reserve. This is challenge 4 and hey, it is an on your own problem. So you should have solved the entire problem on your own and now you're watching this video just to make sure you did everything correctly. Without further ado, let us move on to our scenario. You are trying to protect a family of ants. That is very nice of you, my friend. Their home is in this triangular area by this tree. So this triangular area right here. And what's cool about this is this little box here indicates that this is a 90-degree angle or a perpendicular angle. So that means we can use this line for our height. Here's the information. So the base is 15 yards. So it's 15 yards from here to here. And your height is 7 yards. So from here at the base up to the top here is 7 yards. And you must solve how many square yards are in this animal reserve. Alrighty, my friends. Well, let's just get ready and get started solving this problem. First, we'll start by writing the formula, which is A for area equals the base times the height divided by 2. And the reason that works is that a triangle is actually half of a rectangle. So imagine this line came straight across here and then down here. It would be half of that rectangle because it's cut in half, right? And that is super cool, so that's why that formula works. So let's go ahead and plug in the numbers. So I'm going to just rewrite the formula as A equals, and now this time I'm going to plug in for base, I'm going to plug in 15. So I'll write 15 here, and then times, now for the height, I'm going to plug in the 7 right there. So let's go ahead and do that right now. And that's my 7, and then divided by 2. And now I'm ready to do the next step. So I'm going to go A equals, and I'm going to just simply take 15 times 7. And that will give me 105, right? And then I've got to divide that by 2. Wait a minute, my friends. Let's back up a second. 15 times 7, I'm going to just show you how I got 105. So I got 15 times 7. 7 times 5 is 35. I drop my 5, carry my 3. 7 times 1 is 7 plus 3 will give me 10, and bam, you get 105. So that's 105, and we have to divide that by 2. So let's go ahead and do that right here. I'll use blue this time. So 2 going into 105, and 2 will go into 10 5 times. So I'm going to write 5 right there, which will give me 10 right there, and I'm going to subtract. And I'm going to drop that 5 right down there. And then 2 will go into 5 2 times. And let's go ahead and do that. 2. And then 2 times 2 is going to give me 4. Right? So I'm going to get 4 right here. Oops, why did that shift on me? I want to make that blue, don't I? And then when I subtract that, I get 1. And then you always take your remainder, becomes your numerator, right? So you're going to write 1 right there, and then over your denominator is your divisor. So you take your remainder becomes your numerator, your divisor becomes your denominator. And we get 52 and 1/2. So let's go back here and write our final answer. A equals 52 and 1/2, and that is yards squared. Bam, right there, my friends, is your answer. So in final conclusion, my friends, this area right here for this animal reserve for those ants that you are protecting is 52 and 1/2 yards squared, and that is the area of this triangle right here. Hey, as always, if you made a mistake anywhere along the way, no worries at all, my friend. Pause that video, fix that mistake. That is your fastest way to learn. Until next time, I hope you have a fantastic day. I'll see you soon.